Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.
Alright, good morning. Let me double check, make sure this mic is working. Alright, we're all set. Alright, so the EA took some trades last night. We're just waiting for those to come back down. Overall, I believe it is a downtrend. So I'll wait for it to come back down. It has a 200 pip stop loss currently for a 10 pip gain. This is just a test to see how this works out, because the idea is that the EA should be taking more better trade than normal. But from what I can see here, there may be some issues that we have to resolve, right? Because right now it's bullish and it's in sells at the moment. So I'll let this one go for now because I know it's going to come back down today. But let's do some price action to see where market is. All right. So we have some liquidity right in this area here. The market has not come to us yet, right? Then we have some liquidity right here. That market has to come to as well before. So if it wants to go up, it has to come back down here. If it wants to go down, it has to go back up there. And then if it breaks this, then where is it going? Alright, so we have here a pattern. should at least come towards that bottom area within the next few days. So on a weekly chart, same principle here. It has to come to the bottom with maybe this week in order to complete this triangle so it can go again. Right, because you see weekly has been doing triangle, triangle, triangle. Right, this is just a bigger triangle now. Also, it's doing it did its Elliott wave here. Let's see from a 4-hour perspective. Actually, on a daily, we had an Elliott wave, right? So, oops. So we have Elliott wave, Elliott wave trend here. Then we have the correction, and this is the completion of the correction, right? So a correction ends with a triangle. So therefore, if market breaks down, it comes down here and then starts going up, then we have a trend again. If market comes down here and then continues down, then we have a trend to the downside, right? At least back to these regions area here, or even the lows over here, right? It's not gonna go up forever. And if you look right here, the reason I'm saying it's not gonna go up forever is because we ranged here for how long, right? We ranged here for 1,028 days. So that's from 2020 to 2024. We ranged in this area, right? So let's set this up over here. This is just my theory, right? Let's make the range right here. So what I'm saying is that if this is not a trend back to the downside, then we have a range for the next couple of years, right? Of course, nice trends happening inside of this range, but it's still a range. This should be our range. So this coming back down here is not unlikely anymore, right? It makes sense for it to come back down here. Second thing you need to pay attention to is this Elliott wavelength, right? This Elliott wavelength. I mean, this move here is equivalent to this move here, right? From the time it broke out. From the time it broke out. So the market is already exhausted. The only thing it can do now is continue to range for the next several years. And in order to do that, this is the end. So if this ends this pattern here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, this ends it, then we're expecting a down move here, and then, like I said, there's nothing stopping it from coming down here and then going back up here, right? So I'm expecting a sell for the rest of the day. Of course, there might be a spike up. So in 30 minutes, the liquidity pool is sitting up here that it might want to step into. Now let's check on the EA. The liquidity pool is sitting right here. I say liquidity is sitting right there, which is right above the range. And liquidity is sitting right below the range. 26.56 at the bottom and 26.75 at the top. 26.75 at the top, which is right here. So this is 26.75. This is where the liquidity is. Based on price action, this is where the liquidity is. Based on the order book, this is where the liquidity is. Same thing here, right? Based on order book, we have our liquidity at 26.56. $26.56 right there, previous low, right? But what I'm saying is that it might come here, so that means while this is coming down, this may be coming up. They might move the stop loss a little bit higher within this region as it makes a low here and goes back away. So it's gonna come down, it won't hit it, it's gonna go back up. As it goes back up, this gets moved over here and then it gets stopped out. All right, so let me go back over here and here. So this is not a tick chart anymore. This is actually a 1 minute chart on the right side over here. It looks like it's uptrending for now. So this is the account history here for this EA setup. So since I have I started running this EA, well, the new settings for this EA on Monday, right? So yesterday, no, actually Sunday night. So between Sunday night and now, it took 2 trades, took a major hit here, and this can be explained. For all the rest of the trades from this point down, I had a 200 pip stop loss. For this one here, I had a 75 pip stop loss. So it does go to drawdown, right? So I want to fix that so it doesn't go to drawdown as much. So far, it's gone maximum about 75, 80 pips drawdown so far since I've been doing this. But majority of the trade, once it's trending, it takes the trade and it goes into profit, right? Or at least 20, 15 pip drawdowns. But it's been doing good from since Sunday to now on a $5,000 account. So, but actually not a $5,000 account, but $3,000 account, because this is a $5,000 demo. However, with previous settings, it had lost $1,000 almost within the day, right? So I changed the programming a little bit to identify all those failing trades and remove them so that they can take a little bit better trades. What I'm looking at now is to figure out how to not figure out, pretty much. I don't have to figure it out. I just have to put volatility time now. So now that I've got it trading to a certain level, all I have to do is put from the time market opens to 8 p.m. New York time, 8 p.m. And then after that, it stops trading. And when New York opens, which is 7:30 to pre-New York, 7:30, 7 o'clock. I'll probably stick with 7:30 to 11 o'clock, right? Those will be the trading hours for the EA, and then I'll see how it behaves. But for now, I wanted to run the whole week through Asia, through the slowest time possible, and see how it performs, if it survives. Because I really wanted to survive these areas. That's my goal. So you just set it and leave it. Muhammad Aziz, I am thinking of sales. I just explained why I was thinking of sales. Right. So, like I said, if it's selling, it's gonna go up first, then come down. If it's buying, it's gonna come down here and then go up. So if it's down here, it's a buy zone. If it's up here, It's a sell zone. So you just have to sit and wait. Because what's going to happen is, let's look at the news. Core CPI 830. So this is going to make a news fly today. And it's going to do a whipsaw. More than likely. Likely. Right? Because the reason I know it's going to do a whipsaw for sure is we have equally interested buyers as we have equally interested sellers. Right? So we have both buying and selling pressure in the market. From retail traders, at least. From retail traders. So if retail traders stop losses here and stop losses here, it means we're 50-50. People are thinking it's a buy and people are thinking it's a sell. Well, I think it's a sell, so I'll be joining these guys. I just have to wait for the sell to start happening. And I think it's going to be a sell for at least today, tomorrow, maybe the rest of the week. Until it hits the bottom of, where is the line? Down here. 26.22. Right? What's the size there? Okay, 560 pips. That's not bad. It can do that with today's news. It can do it in one day. Core CPI makes it move. Oops, wrong thing.
I just tried to use mom's shirt.
You just tried to use
I
one?
just tried to use mom's mouse for my laptop.
Alright, ship, pip. So if it goes up here, then 61% of this pullback would be, well, obviously right there. Now it's up here, 61%, coming down to 100% mark would be here. And this is our next target, right? So based on LHF, this is our next target. They were not so far off here. Now, if we do this, which is this one, then we have a 5-wave pattern here, right? So third wave is going to be longer, which is core CPI.
How do I remove these sessions?
Huh?
How do I remove these sessions? I get to do.
You have to go to chart setting. Let's see if we did had Elliott wave involved here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 1. No, this doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Right, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. we had a corrective wave of this move here. So we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, this one doesn't count because of this factor here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see, all the down moves here are clean Elliott waves, right? Whereas up moves are Elliott wave, corrective, Elliott wave, corrective, corrective, corrective. No, this one is Elliott because we have this here going on. Right, so you have an Elliott wave there, but everything else is corrective. Well, maybe not. Yeah, this doesn't look right. But from what I can see here, it has a pattern that all the general trending direction is down, down, right? That's why. So that's why I came up with, okay, it's coming down here. Now you see my thought process. So that's just predictive trading. You know, I don't like predictive trading because I failed too much time on predictive trading. But we have liquidity here and we have liquidity here, right? It's either going to come down and go up or go up and go down. For today, this is for today move. And then if it breaks out here, then we're coming down here. Which would be the liquidity right here. Okay, this is the liquidity that actually took it away. So just sit and wait. Did you woke Mama up?
Yeah, I think she's.
Now let's look here and see what's happening. This is where we left the market last night. It was right in the same range. All right, for this setup here, as soon as it pops out some of this yellow stuff over here, I'm gonna probably take a buy. Let's see how it works. Of course, with correlation in the area. All right, let's see what's happening here. We have 1, 2, 3 highs, 4 highs. And after it makes a 4 low here, it should I should buy here actually. So if it gives the first green bar here, I'll take a buy. Right, so if it gives the first second actually green bar, I'll buy it. It's gonna be a short buy though. It's gonna be right up to the high.
That was the buy. I left.
It came right back up. Now let's go back up there again. Isn't the second move here? Yeah, this is the area we left it last night, where it went up.
This one.
Ah. Oh yeah, it's some bullshit all night. Okay, what do we have here?
Yeah, it's just this thing. You don't know what to put it.
Alright, so if this closes green here, I'm gonna buy it. Just for play.
Just to play.
Just
Oh,
to
you
play.
see?
You see, came back here, tested this low, right? This is the liquidity area where it dropped off.
I know.
I'm waiting for it to close, so then I'll enter a buy.
Oh, yeah. That's nice.
So is it just gonna be one month then?
Especially, see how this is angled so strongly here. It's a range for sure, but this is angled here, so I can take a buy for 10% at least. Maybe we should let it hit this stop loss area first, right? this is where my stop loss would be. This is where liquidity area is from this pivot here, and this would be where my stop loss would be. I would like it to change bearish here completely, then flip bullish, which did flip bearish completely here. Buy stop above current candle. Oops, what happened? So let's check this drawdown out here. This is 737. So if I took a buy, stop loss would be here. I would be hitting my stop loss now. And then I would be crying about it. No. And then it would go up, and I'm like, see, hit my stop loss and then go up. So now my pending order is up here.
Okay. Oh, you know, I have it in the notebook.
So far, I've been doing it pretty good there.
Okay, this one, which is this one.
I don't know. I just follow all the boxes on there. No, too far.
This one. What about these two?
This is this moving average here. I was wondering, like, where's this moving average coming from?
What you trading? Why are you on?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I'm trading this.
Wait, why? Your brain is not working. How are you gonna trade? It's on the bottom, so they have any orders.
Yeah, they have orders here. It's right at the bottom, right here. 26.56. So it's gonna do that whipsaw we talked about. It's gonna go up first, then come down, or go down first, then go up. But it has a long way down to go. Alright, 100 and let's call it from the bottom, 80 pips down, and from here we have 53 pips up. At least here, even 100 pip up to the downside.
Oh. Yesterday, it was going, it was going up.
So I usually do this stream here. Whatever you see here is what you see every day, right? I blew this account yesterday, just so you know. But that was because I was playing around with TickChart. It was just a $50 account. This is what we're trying to figure out here on the left side to make it work. right? 'Cause this is gonna be the bread and butter long term. And Annika is doing a challenge, not a challenge. She got a funded account, so she's gonna be trained that with Blue Guardian.
Stay.
This if this flips up, back, volatility is down at the moment here. We have volume up. We have volume up. So this has to actually flip up with volatility to go up. So in about 30 minutes, it probably will inevitably go up. But right now it's showing bearish.
So when it's a range, what you check in between, we can do it. It's like we can.
Sell strength became strong here. Sell strength is still a little bit weak here. Right, but we do have correlation to the downside at the moment. But we have a 200 EMA holding the market up here. We have a 5-minute 200 EMA holding the market right here. So they're all squeezing. It means you might just want to get stuck here for a little bit. So you have 20 minutes more until real volatility comes in.
You have to count this one.
You can't do this one because this one exceeds past this one.
Down.
Yeah, down. That's what I've learned from the course so far. Is the fact that it can't exceed the bottom of this, like
Yeah.
the previous one.
This one, that's it.
So you
So
have
I
to go.
can't count.
No, so don't count down. You count this one, then you go down here, and here, and here. I
Okay.
think.
So we got this one.
And this is now working too bad. See, I have a signal here,
And then I think you go down.
buy signal
this
there.
one.
It had
But they're the same.
a
Because this one is down.
Mm.
Remember?
sell signal there, shitty buy signal there,
Oh wait, so this is one down.
sell there, sell there.
I don't know how to do that one. I like it.
Oh, it's not an ABC thing.
Maybe it's
Buy there.
like 1, 2, 3, 5.
So it took 1, 2, 3, 4,
Let's do this one.
Maybe just do that.
5,
No, this one is on the trend.
6,
Yeah, this one.
7.
The
Oh yeah,
on.
that's true.
7 winning trade, 2 losing trade here, right? Because this would be this buy here would be a losing trade here unless it's a 200 pip stop loss, then it would be profitable as well. This one here is where it took those same trades over in this corner, right? Now it's going back into profit. Now it's going to go back into profit.
Oh, no.
Um,
Where's the color?
RSI is shifting back to neutral grounds. Let's see how the other RSIs are doing.
Where's that supposed to be?
So these RSIs are still bullish. Okay.
Just took it. That one. Okay, so we do this just in case.
Mm-hmm.
Just in case.
got the region.
So you see, it went to 50. So
Also, you see when this is up, we have a trending type move. When it's down, you have nonsense type move.
this,
So this is down. So that means this is nonsense type move is gonna happen here for the next 20 minutes. I'll take a buy, but I can't. I have to take a buy up here to make it a logical buy. Because they could just be a pullback.
are you forced
They
to
could
trade
continue
for
down.
them?
No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm being patient. I have to be patient. Alright, we can be back. Because we have to wait until 8 o'clock anyway, so nothing special is happening. Benny, if we only needed price action to trade, everybody would be billionaires right now. And if we only need an indicator to trade, everybody would be billionaires right now. But in truth, you need both of them. At the end of the day, you need both of them. You need to understand certain data. You cannot calculate an average price movement in your mind. You cannot calculate unbalanced volume in your mind, right? You cannot calculate tick volume in your mind. Price action doesn't give you the turnaround points when volume is coming in, right? Price action doesn't give you when market is going to be volatile and when it's not going to be volatile. Price action does not give you 6 markets in a row over here, and over here, right? So that's what we're trading, sort of. It's not about the indicators. It's about understanding the printing of the bars. Why they're printing a certain way, right? It's just about understanding. But we do use price action, as you can see. We have price action over here. If it's gonna be going down, it has to come up here. If it's gonna be going up, it has to come down here. Right? Overall, it's gonna be a sell down here. So we do use price action at the larger scale. Annika is the price action expert next to me over here as well. She has a chart more detailed drawn up in price action. But we sort of look for trades now, right? But if we ignore the fact that we cannot use indicators, you're just lying to yourself. And if you think you can only use price action, you're just lying to yourself. Right? Because I have never seen a successful only price action trader or a successful only indicator trader. It doesn't exist. And the guys who say they are successful, they're 50% win rate. Price action is 50% win rate. All right, let's go back over here. And then we can take a break because I was ranting.
Oh, is there? I'm guessing nobody's there. You're just talking to yourself.
No, somebody's there.
Somebody. I know. The reason he was ranting, there's only one person there.
No, forget that. Nothing is happening still.
Tell me about my realization.
All right, here. You can tell her.
Are they? Where?
Yeah, it's live. Um, no candles on the chart.
No candles. Okay.
What is this? This is not a candle? Oh, okay. Use your own candles. Right, that's why you have price action over here in the corner. You
My-
open up your own chart.
My chart has full, no robot or anything, drawn up chart. And Jai has his robot. It's a robot. Have you guys seen a robot before? It's a robot. He's working on this robot to take automated trades. So he doesn't have to trade anymore.
Yeah, this is still in development, of course. We're trying to squeeze out all the failing trades, and so as you can see here, it hasn't been failing. It took one loss here, but that's about it, right? When a news comes out, it's gonna whipsaw everything out. So this is gonna go into profit either way.
Okay. I think this is important area.
But for right now, we'll be looking for
This
sells
is
in the
good
top
area.
corner over here.
This is our box.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So this would be a pending sell.
Yes.
Probably won't go. I mean, it might. I mean, there you go.
Right. I just thinking, see that? Like this. But it is- It's been staying below. What is it? This is supposed to be- what is it? See, is it none? And so what I'm gonna do now,
And that's our pending sell order up here. Annika is going to be taking sells from anywhere in this region here.
where is chart is that? 30 minutes?
30-minute chart.
Yeah, there are two options, of course. This is too far. The 4-hour one is too far. If anything. This one.
And remember, if we're waiting for a corrective wave, this is our corrective wave here.
And that's what I was trying to do.
Oh, yeah.
Right? That's your corrective wave there. And then it might just continue down. Because it needs a C leg. Right? But internally over here, we can say that it started off with this,
Yeah, that's what we were trying to do.
right? And it's gonna end with this C wave pattern, which is gonna become another corrective up move.
You have to speak louder for the people listening.
Right, so this is gonna be your up move here. So it has one overall big ABC, and we have a triangle forming inside here as a starting move to finish this area. And then we have an ABC going up to complete the move, the C wave. right?
You see my line. This line stops here. So now for it to go here, it kind of breaks out of this thing. Right? Oh, but is this it? What is this I have here? Does it look like a triangle to you? Right? I can draw this one.
ATR is 6, 10,
Let's see what this
6, 1. So we need a silver ATR to be 1, 2, approximately 0, 2.
No, not this one.
I guess one is good. Anything above 1 is good. 15015 is good.
So,
This is the impulsive move, and then this is the corrective move that he was talking about.
so I go
Because I think so, yeah.
1.
Mm-hmm. I think you might be up there, yeah.
And
Mm-mm.
no. Wait. John.
No, because
Yeah.
it starts from here. It doesn't start from here because you want to get the
Oh.
full down trunk
Okay.
because it's the impulsive move.
So I'm doing the correction.
No, you do this one.
This one.
I put a pending buy order here and take profit right there.
I think it's this one you want to do.
Oh, John. I
Yeah.
wanna do this thing where it goes the. Maybe it did that. Maybe look
Two.
and the triangle. Yeah. Let's do this one. This one. So we go like this one. We're like down like that. And
I understand. I understand.
The stop loss is gonna be right underneath here.
okay.
The price is right.
Again. John, look, I'm doing it something.
I remember they were saying wave
And
3
then-
has to be the longest though.
Wave 3 is always the longest.
Yeah, wave 3 is supposed to be the longest.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I'm wrong. Don't say no, like
It
this
looks
one.
right.
I'm doing this ABC, and then triangle. I'm trying to do.
Oh, this is your triangle right here.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
This blue. Oh, this blue. I'm trying to do this whole thing. You see, ABC corrective, and then triangle. Is what I'm trying to do.
Oh yeah, you did do an ABC here and then a triangle here and then the first move here.
Oh, okay.
And
Just
then
a
a
triangle.
triangle here and then an ABC here.
Where's the ABC?
So
you do it on your chart.
I did it like
No, different one. You did the little one inside.
Teach us.
Oh, is this the one?
yeah.
Oh, you did that one. Okay.
Yeah. You see the LA3 starts here
Oh,
Oh.
at this point here.
not that one? Because this was a triangle, it seems like.
Like this is the range that it broke out of.
Yeah.
Right? This is the range here it broke out of. So it cannot come back anywhere beyond this range. So this is the area it must come back to. Or stay here and then drop. One of the two. Right? Obviously, we know it won't stay here and then drop. It's going to come back to possibly here because it's going to do a full corrective wave. Right? So the corrective wave should be this one here. You see, C wave is pretty much just as long as this one.
Just see here, this is as long as A.
It's as long as A or longer.
Oh, okay. Okay, master.
My brain has beginning. My brain has greeting.
Begin.
Begin.
Hey, it should be a word.
No.
Alright, so you see we have correlation involved here. It means all the charts are currently moving bullish. We have all the silvers are moving bullish and all the gold is moving bullish currently in the current moment.
That means
However, these dots
over
here means that 200 is flat. So
put
with 200 being flat, we cannot have high expectations of anything at the moment.
X1.
Well, actually, volatility is in. It's 8 o'clock already. So with 8 o'clock being here, let's see what
You see?
happens.
Didn't have to.
No.
But, I took some money, so withdraw some money, so that's why
Extorted you.
The bullish volume is
You can't
in.
even extort you.
OBV volume is in. This has shifted a little bit more to the upside here.
Pay your debt and pay your dues.
It just means volatility is still start becoming present,
Okay, so I go to
right? We can even take it up to here, which is 26.75.
This is so huge. It's
Right.
I know.
So
And
26.75,
See?
50 pips.
And I could put them
So this has a potential to run up to 50 pips.
there, and just put them
Yeah, right there.
there. And then I click something.
Buy stuff or something. I think you have to click. No, go back. No, go back. No. You click selling it. Because that's what you
I
want to
need
sell it.
something.
And then you have to go.
Wait, then something. Oh, okay. There. That's how you do it.
Why are you buying on the other account? Oh, because the other account, this one here is an MT4, this MT5. I don't want to touch this account because this I'm just testing the robot on this account here. So if it fails, it fails. If it wins, it wins. Right. On the right side is a live account, $50 live account. So as to test this setup out I have here. But overall, my actual goal is to get the left chart here correctly working on autopilot. Yesterday did a great job. Today doing a range is not so great. We have buy strength is stronger, stronger, and stronger. Right. We have dollars being bearish at the moment, and we have gold being bullish at the moment. I see we're 13 pips in profit on this one here for now, and we can move the stop loss up probably underneath here. Slowly we can gradually move the stop loss up.
No, not over them. Not. We can do that on
No, broker shouldn't charge you like cents.
This is back to my
So you went 13 pips in profit there.
So that's why it's a big out.
But they're the ones extorting you.
We came to this area right here.
Okay, so
Oh, why do you think it's gonna sell when it hits that point? That's this point, right?
So this was the liquidity for this area.
Is it because that?
Um,
Oh yeah, I think it does.
but it's currently bullish, so I'll stick to the bullish
when
move.
he was here, there was like listen, it's gonna go there.
I remember. I saw that it was 8:30.
Yeah. Like that. Awesome. It would be nice if it goes now. Oh, which it can.
It's already 8 o'clock, by the way, so news is literally gonna come in like 25 minutes.
So realistically, if this was to get stopped out, it would destroy the account. So the goal is for it not to get stopped out. This should return as soon as they come up here. Or hope the EA starts taking buys now to work itself out. Right. But the goal is to have this thing either win or fail by itself.
I'm trying to do see, I can't do daily. It's not a daily. This is this one. See, I have this one. This one. So I can fix it. What is that? You see? So I'm pressing this one. Yeah.
It's testing the 9 moving average here, and now it should go. If it is close bullish here, it should continue up.
Oh, this one. Starts from here. And I'm gonna move it forward. So it's
My real bias is a sell. Right? Let me. For. What's your name? Universe. The bias is a sell right here. Right? So, as you can see, we're waiting for cells to come up here so it can come down. That's the bias. And if I put this on daily, see the bias is to the downside here. At least to 2600 or 2611 area.
because it's a moving bar. You can't do it in a moving bar.
So even if it closed right here today, the next bar should continue down overall for the rest of the week.
Okay.
So already 8 o'clock, I swear I'm going over to your side.
No.
5 minutes is going up. You have a liquidity area right there.
No, it took it.
It took it? The whole thing? Oh yeah, the wick. We have to involve the wick, right?
See? Right on point.
There's Annika's analysis just right here. She identifies these areas, market comes to it, she puts a pending order. Right?
That's price action. For those who say
There
we
is
don't
no
do
price.
price action.
This is the price action we do. Right? Same thing here. You see, if you see this move happen here, then you're expecting it to come back. Let's do Annika trades. Right? She takes the buy over here. Which that's where I should have taken the buy.
Huh?
That's where I should have taken the buy.
Yeah, you know the rules. I'm just identifying areas just in case. If it decides to
So on these here, I'm not using any candles. I'm using
see,
where is this thing?
I'm gonna
Over here, I'm using these. So that's the candles. It's just that I don't want to see the candles. I just wanted to see the average price movement.
right? This is the work, you see? Yeah. So you have this green area, you can go back to here. So I'm going to expand this. See, it opened my eyes.
Just in 10 pips. That was my second chance to get out.
You see? you to do it. Just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case. What is it? I don't know.
Oops.
I mean, I have a mess there. I don't know what's wrong. So basically go like this. And then, yeah.
Mm.
And this way. Because of this one. You go. I put this in. So when this alarm happens, we will know what is happening.
Mm.
If it decides to surpass the blue, we will know that it's going to stop right here. Oh, Jai, if it surpasses the blue, it's going to stop here for sure.
There.
Okay, so this will
Oh, okay.
with the second alarm. If it wants to be naughty today, with the news and all,
Okay,
it needs to
so we
stop
have
everyone
this
out.
zone here.
So you should check actually the orders as well.
So the order is just right underneath here,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
The order is just at 2674. So it's just right here. Actually, not even that much down. It's just above this here. But it takes this order. It usually pumps through a little bit longer sometimes. Um, these little dots here, as a reminder, these mean EMAs are flat. So we're experiencing like a lot of flat market.
And this is coming like soon.
So at 8:30 news is gonna come. We're gonna wait for the news, and then we'll see what happens. If I get stopped out of this one and goes into profit in this one, or goes into profit in this one and gets stopped out on this one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I had my chance to take my 10 pips there before the news, but now
I don't have these.
I'll be stuck in it for a little while.
These. Mm. You see, it's been. Yes.
I see it gives a red arrow here. That means a lot of charts are moving backwards. Down on
This
me.
line yet. Yeah. Because maybe I should fix it. A second one. But why is it so close to this one? It's supposed to be farther, not closer. It's supposed to be farther, not closer. Pretty close. Isn't it supposed to be farther or closer? Or you, I don't know. You can do that one far and it still goes on the line. You see? this one. If I just move it, it's going to be fine. Nice. What here what happened? It's supposedly was on it, and when I moved it on the side, it's the same thing happening here. You see, it was on it. Just trying to move it to the side. You see? Moves, and then it moves.
Other charts moving bearish as currently. Let me see here.
Well, this one, I want to up. Or maybe this one wants to pop out.
There.
No?
Pop up, you mean?
Yeah, I want to try and
I don't know. It's a possibility as well.
Oh, but we did this thing. This thing right here.
Yeah.
Look up. The people know that the triangle haven't finished yet, yeah?
The triangle hasn't finished yet, so if it's not finished, it's gonna get finished.
Oh, they didn't know.
I mean, even if it closes bullish today, it's gonna come back down the next day.
No, I mean, do they know that someone's playing with like triangle? Maybe they don't know.
Okay, this thing is pushing down.
Okay.
10 more minutes until news.
Should I risk it and put one trade?
Before the news?
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can risk it. Are you putting a sell?
No. Wait.
Is he okay? Alright, so Annika enter the cell. I'm gonna enter a cell too. With her. I'm gonna take profit where these are taking profits. Enter a cell a little bit too late here, but it is what it is. Nope, didn't work. One more buy should open. News is coming in 9 minutes. Let me see what's happening with the rest of the charts here. Okay, it's gonna come down. This should come down a little bit farther down.
Wait, news came already?
No.
No.
The market is just trying to trade the news before 10 minutes before the news. Alright, silver is doing bullish bars. Big bullish bars. Oh, wait, let me look at the ATR here. It's 1.9. This one is 3.
I need to buy more drawers. Oh, where are your orders on the bottom?
The orders at the bottom is all the way down here.
Oh, no, that was the one I told you we're gonna do. I got out of it because I was here. And then this is something I got out. But
Okay, news is 7 minutes. We can see the volatility coming in though.
was the first kid to get this kid.
So the EA is taking 10 pips all the time, but it's also increasing the lot size as the balance grows. Let me open up the new channel over here. $26.91 risky buying or selling, especially tomorrow's news. Yep, we have PPI today and CPI today.
Why am I like this?
And core retail sales. So you have 3 days of major amount of news. Actually, 4 days. So this week is going to be a running week for sure. Which we did say has 600 pips to go down.
So,
Alright.
that open.
Okay, I'm going to enter the cell now.
Wait, what do you do? Before the news?
Yeah. If it starts me, at least it's only less than 10 pips. Maybe 10 pips. 30 pip stop loss. 60 pip take profit.
I'm working. I can't. I have to do like this because what happened is
Because everything's sort of turned down at the moment, you see. Just gonna go take that take profit up there as well. Just gonna try to stop them out.
Oh, look what I found.
Bye.
No. I got royalty free music, so YouTube can't complain. Wait, I accidentally clicked away the right on. Sorry. Where's the screen? It's always something. Oh,
Now, so it's gonna push up or down.
oh, I'm in profit.
Where's my goddamn trade?
Go, go, baby, go, go. Oh God! I shall put it in break even.
Just right here is the profit. 26.75. Or now it's actually gonna go up straight up to the top here.
That.
At least 30 more pips to go. Or 60. 30 to 60 pips to from this point. So even if you entered, it wouldn't be late. Another 46 pips.
Oh, I.
Oh, I know, I didn't get
Yes, because I thought maybe I'm gonna push it.
My chat is frozen. So I have to use this chat for now.
It's good that I got on. Reject the moon. Ah, so the generation is not allowed our generation to say stuff like reject the moon and stuff like that. If you want to, you put one over here. Yeah. And right, you have to put in some. See, tiny. Right here. Look, I made it for it.
I once tested mine, so
I am. I thought. Not that one.
They said he
follow Miss Barris though. See his Barris follow here.
They said that every Spider-Man dated their co-star, and then they could put that.
Oh, yeah?
So Toby told me. No, they didn't say like because they were bad or not.
Oh, he was talking about
No. Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield, they both dated their co-star.
I didn't know
From the
this.
Spider-Man.
I should have just stick to my sub eyes.
No, I know that. Yeah. I mean,
It's gonna go up, but it's gonna push down. It's gonna go down, but it's gonna push it back up right over here. This is the way until it comes back up here and take a cell like I'm supposed to. Trying to force straight throughs is a pain in the ass.
What were you doing? You're binary.
I did try to buy this.
Oh no, don't do that. I got out of my binary.
2677. I'll put a pen under 2677.
Oh, well, I got out of my binary long time ago. I took like 50 pips out.
I thought you did the sell earlier.
No, but I did both. So
Oh.
it kind of paid off my stop loss because it was really short
Mm-hmm.
and some profit.
Alright, now it's gonna come up at the bottom and I'll pay in profit.
Oh man, I hope it doesn't stay inside the drawer today.
Well,
See this
remember
one?
tomorrow we have
CPL.
yeah. What's his name here?
Oh, did he take it up? Did he take down the other guy?
Jeff reminded us that tomorrow we have strong news. Right, we have let me go back to this.
Did they take out those guys yet?
Uh-uh.
Oh.
See, it's still shittily moving over here.
I think it was this before.
Your EMAs are super flat right now. 5-minute EMAs are flat. 1-minute EMAs are flat. The 200s, right? So when they're that flat, you're not gonna get any good trading out of it. As you can see, I didn't get any good trading out of it. It's like a hit or miss, and you're always too late.
I'm not so I'm gonna start now without taking that liquidity. Okay?
Silver moves so small though. Like the bars are so tiny. Wait, what am I doing? Okay.
I wonder if it's gonna go.
Where it is, or it's stopping.
Yeah.
I don't know. It entered an additional trade on its way down here.
Yeah, I took this. I thought it might wanna go. I brought it back. I said,
Market's ridiculous this morning. I mean, it's not ridiculous. What is my SL? I didn't enter. I didn't get a chance. I tried entering a buy. I lost. So I didn't even bother entering the sell because I had a trade on this chart here that was running since last night. That got take profit right now
I'm gonna go down.
on the EA.
Now I did this.
The SL is 200 pip for the EA, but for over here, I usually just get out. As you can see, it's doing the whipsaw here because it's wiping out the whole range.
Oh, it went there here.
30-minute.
No, 5 minutes. 2 weeks at this point.
Yeah.
All right. So in the 30-minute, it can wipe out the top of this range and the bottom of this range. Now it should decide what it wants to do. Next bar. Next bar, we'll know where the trend where the trend goes. If it wants to go up and take out everything else and then come
Well,
down,
there was a skip from
or it
there.
just wants to continue
It
down.
took the skip. Right? It took the skip up. See? There were like 2 skips there. It took it. I found this skip. See? This one it did.
So these are breaking areas. If 30-minute closes below this, then it's a breakout to the downside.
It didn't go like this. Sometimes it doesn't take the blow. You see, it went to the top and now doing the break. Okay. But you know what? I don't like
50-minute has
I
3
don't like
3 minutes to go.
You see how it perfectly stopped in this triangle? You see, perfectly in that triangle. And then it came, because when the slow down, it does that one. Yeah. And then it came. That's nice. Because if you want to sign, it's perfect. There we go. And then, there you go. But the fact that I did the perfect was the shape. Because the shape this level. Yeah. And then do this now.
It came exactly 78% of this one.
Right? Look. Ta-ta. You see?
And it took this liquidity area right there.
It's doing, but it's doing this. So the point is, you have to get shifted. What I'm saying is that when you take the perfect, then you think it's a song. No, it's like a song. And this is it. It's doing it right now. Because the fact that it left that liquidity right there, it's almost there, and that's suspicious. So I didn't enter. You see?
Alright, so it entered a
And look at
sell
it
here
That's this.
while it was going up. Like this is gonna go up all the way up here
You
now.
see perfectly.
This got bigger.
Mhm.
This target got bigger.
It came down. But now you don't enter because you need to enter a breakout.
So because
now
what do you call it?
you have this thing.
The ATR is so high, maybe we might just sweep down and take profit.
Yeah. Keep this icon going. Okay. So this. So I said
The reason I created a EA so I don't have to be emotionally involved. Like while I'm watching a trade, I want to get emotionally involved and start closing trades.
I put it here. I don't know where to put it, so I'm just gonna put it. I don't know, sometimes either to do. So just look. You know, it's not perfect. You just look. And see what happens. Because when it's too you get confused. So, so this one, right there, we put a line, yeah? You think that you missed it when this was happening. Nope. Oh, I was telling Angie that when it did a perfection touch of this blue line that we have,
Yeah.
triangle, be suspicious when it's coming down because it did too perfect.
Yeah.
So when it's perfect, it's suspicious. So when it comes out, it's like it's gonna pull back.
Yeah.
You know, it's like relationship. If someone's love bombing you, sus.
You get
You put the relationship in there.
they're gonna love on you and they're just gonna pull back.
See, 30 minute went back inside. It took the liquidity this little area here,
Trading is a metaphor for anything.
came to this little area here.
That's what I realized. Dude, even sometimes in my head I make a trading metaphors.
That's why I'm training.
I know.
All traders go through it, that they don't have a friend to
You know
talk
what
to.
happened? You know what happened? One time I was with my friends and I wanted so badly to use trading as a metaphor. And I'm like, then I couldn't get it.
That's why we have each other.
I don't even remember what it was now.
You know how Jerry and I do jokes about, life is ranging right now.
Life is ranging, yeah.
Waiting for
Like trading.
and then crack each other up.
Dude, trading becomes such a big part of your life. You start creating metaphors in your head. Like
That's why you
everything-
need your better half get into trading because your brain starts thinking differently.
It's so weird. Like, your life becomes so relative to trading.
Actually, yeah. People are afraid that if you get your spouse to trading and you're like work together, live together, but actually, well, maybe because we're codependent, we love each other too much. We can't breathe without each other, so that works for us. I want him to quit his job so he can be with me all the time. Not in a toxic way, he wants the same thing. Turning into those people in the memes, they're like, tell him.
No, we're happy. We're happy. Tell them we're happy.
Yeah.
You want the same thing, right? I think
People gonna say, make some noise, Jai. If you're holding something on you,
blink twice.
blink.
You can't blink. Click twice if she's keeping you hostage, holding you at gunpoint. Oh, and now he's hesitant to click twice out of fear that they'll misunderstand.
Oh wait, we might be some people.
Look at this. You can't even see this thing going away.
Oh, you know what it's doing? You know that this.
Such a shitty market. Look at this.
Oh, you know.
One website
It's
here.
not.
And that's about it. Came back to where it was this morning when we came in. I don't know if it wants to go up all the way there though. And there's an order that it needs to take out. So the only thing we can do is just take a trade, you know, which I'm hesitant on.
That's ridiculous. I think completely like that.
It's too tight in this area over here. I can't trust it. Even if it snaps down here, it's worth not taking a trade. Usually I pump in the trades if I'm absolutely certain. Or if I lost too much already. We have bear volume dropped here. We have the thick bear volume here. It's below the zero line. So we have more bearish volume in the market at the moment. This is of course flipping bullish for now in real time. And that's what I like about this volume indicator here. It sort of tells you the oscillation of the volume.
Oh yeah. So as you can see, what did I tell you? You don't trust it. Mm. Then look, we went all the way. Imagine if people would have taken sell here, and what would happen? Look, you see, I took that little sell and took profit. Since then, it never left. Right? Let's go. Oop. Okay. So you see over here, I start pushing, I put something in there. Like so.
Yeah, the whole family's trading. I have my older daughter, my wife.
Yeah, I'm training her.
Annika is trading, and Annika's been doing pretty good actually. She's been making money over there quietly.
Yeah.
While I'm getting distracted.
I took 50 pips up, and then I took almost 40 pips down, and that's it. I haven't taken anything yet.
And overall, we're a bearish bias.
Intern.
What?
I get to say intern. You would have done it anyway.
Yeah, it's
Alright, so this doesn't want to close below here. If it closes below here, at least below here, then we know we have a continuous downtrend.
Yeah. I didn't even put you 34.
7 more minutes to close.
What is going on your chart over there? You're embarrassing us. People make fun of people who have lines on their chart.
What lines? These are predictive lines.
Okay.
I'm predicting the market.
Don't
over here.
embarrass Gesha family. Wait, too much. Oh, yeah. Okay, 30 minutes has 6 minutes to go. Maybe this is a goer. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay.
Well, this touch here is supposed to be a trending down move touch, not a wick touch. Same thing with this touch here. If it trends up,
Yeah.
gradually enters it as a
But
trend,
you see, it took
then it's gonna reverse.
Mhm.
But if it touches it like a
This
wick
is
like
a
that,
chop.
it means nothing.
Why is not picking it up? That tells you it will. You know that. Oh, jeez. I just realized 30 minutes, 50, and 200 are twinsies together, squished in.
Yeah, same thing with the 5 minute 200 and 1 minute 200. They're all squeezed together.
Oh, that's not good.
Market is like being an asshole right now.
Why is it happening on Tuesday all the time?
Because we have too many news coming out this week.
When we are here, the market decides to squeeze. You see? Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You're about to should have shown squeeze.
It is showing a squeeze.
And it's not taking any treats. This program is not taking any treats. When is a squeeze?
Well, that's what I was trying to figure out. I need to help it identify when it's in a squeeze. The problem with that is that when it jumps out of the squeeze, it takes a long time to catch it back up.
Yeah.
Right. This order here.
Yes, you
I would
see?
I would like to see this order start slowing down and start disappearing slowly. It goes to 3 and then 2 point something.
No, but it's
and
gonna
so
go
on.
take it. Until that area is taken, I can't sell, you see?
No, you can't sell until this
I
area is
can't,
taken.
yeah. But that area is the blue box I have, right?
No, your blue box is a little bit higher. It's 2677. So if it takes this out, it's obviously gonna run a little bit stronger to that area.
Where's my blue box? Hold on.
That's where the price action liquidity
Oh,
is
yeah.
sitting at.
Okay. Ish. 77.26 ish.
Because this is just where all the retail traders are
You can
selling
just
and they're putting
touch
stop
it.
losses.
You can just touch it, you know,
Yeah.
just poke it.
But right now we have sell strength at 310. Average sell strength is 216, which is not too far from average buy strength. I mean, buy strength is stronger, of course. Average buy strength is stronger, and gold chart sell strength is stronger, which keeps it in a neutral state.
I don't.
I'm having such a hard time focusing on trade my eyes.
Oh, yeah, drink coffee.
You better close this trade. Close this trade. Close this trade. Come on. There you go.
Oh, did you take profit?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. So Steven is working.
So Steven is working.
So that's what we decided to name it?
No, the name is the Holy Grail.
Well, I've named it.
I thought it was
Steven.
Tony.
No, the name of the robot is the Holy Grail Gold Trader. The reason I name it that is so this way I can work towards that achievement.
And everybody, no, you said because everybody say there is no.
Yeah,
holy
and
grail.
everyone says there's no such thing as a Holy Grail strategy. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make one then.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
But why are we calling it Steven? Right?
Mom just likes to call. There was an AI somewhere that was. Oh no, there was an indicator that was called Steven.
Oh yeah, I don't remember how, to be honest.
No, it was an AI something somewhere.
Yeah?
Right. So these are the trades it took from Sunday night to now. Right, which is good. Actually, this is the best I've seen it
Mm-hmm.
perform. Now this one here is explainable. I had my stop loss set too tight when it took these trades. This one trade. right?
Yeah, he's experimenting on it to see how big
Um,
of the stop loss he should be putting it.
So I put a 200 pip stop loss, and after that, it did all green trades all the time. But as you can see, it's very risky. So I don't want to have that risk either of a 200 pip stop loss. So I'm trying to experiment when it flips, like for example. So instead of having a stop loss, because we know it's successful when it's trending, it's not so successful when it's ranging.
You just distracted the robot.
Right? So I mean, but it's doing fairly okay, right? Except the trades at the very tip here, right? So the idea is to limit the time, limit the trading, limit the range, right? That's gonna help with easing off some of the ranges. The second option is to trade without a stop loss, with a big stop loss. Is that, let's just say hypothetically, let's go back in time here for a second. If it's buying continuously up here, it's gonna know it's only gonna be in the buy direction without a stop loss. So it takes the final trade over here. If it starts trending back to the downside and it takes a sell right here, it's gonna automatically close all the buys that it has that's currently losing, and then it's gonna start working and making back the money, recovering. So this way we won't need a stop loss.
Remember the green box. Maybe the next one we wanna go all the way here.
I should just trade with the robot at this point here.
Nothing. And another one. So, just in case. Because you see, for a long time. I mean, that's a 30-minute chart. Shift this. See, it is there. And here. Right? You know, it's a squeeze in the range, right? So if you can test it here.
Okay, it has strong sell strength here. This is sell. I'm gonna go ahead and sell this here now.
Yeah, because what happened is 4-hour close. Right?
To this low here, which is 26.61. 26.61.
I didn't take this down though. You see, I'm not deleting this X over here. See, I have this up. Broke out, right? And I have this one. Right? So I have this up. You see this up, right? Right here. This one. See this one? You have that. Right? And we have this one. And this.
Alright, so let's go back to see what's going on here.
It broke out. But we also have this thing.
Alright, so we got a new pop. So you see this is decreasing like I had asked for earlier. That's my wish right there. So this is decreasing. It means it won't even bother to go up. It's just gonna gradually disappear.
No.
This has a new target down here, which is 26.55. Right? So I can add another sell in 26.55. Where's 55? Is it 26.55? 26.56. Let's call that 2656.
See, that's all.
See, it's just officially to because you have me on here, that's when it probably go
I don't think so. I swear not that one.
Then you should have taken that back. You just use her to even closer to it.
Jeez.
That's why you can't do that. If you know that the overall direction is down,
Shit.
then
Now I have this green line in the way there. There you go.
okay, but even if it
I mean, no.
Uh,
I'm like, if it's a range and it hasn't taken this, maybe it wants to go. That's where I was thinking.
okay, that's why you wait until you have evidence.
You see, I don't like this.
Yeah.
It literally goes like this.
Mm.
Right?
Oh,
Look here.
that's the 4 hour. 4 hour, like it's gonna drop down. Right?
So,
Um,
and then you see this one is here. If it likes, you see what happened here?
so now 4 hour had a rejection, right? It's a possibility 4 hour might actually start coming down now, like this. So if 4 hour closes over here today, that is amazing. Then the CPI news is gonna go like this: whipsaw, drop. And then we will have Friday for Asia sessions for pullback on Thursday, and then Friday probably another drop.
Anyway. So this one. Just the look. You know what? It's the same green box I told you about. This shit ended up being important to you. You see, we started with this by paying attention to this area. Remember the box I was telling you? Why are you drawing this box? And this area, and then guess what happened?
Usually I'll put a small stop loss here. I'm gonna put a much larger stop loss today,
And then stay.
and I'm gonna say screw it,
Right?
right?
You see?
Sort of like what I'm doing with the robot as well. With the robot, I put a 200 pip stop loss, and after that it was successful. It kept winning nonstop.
Why is it so important?
Yesterday, same thing happened to me. I was putting small stop loss, and then it would go in my direction anyway.
So, look,
So I guess the difference is reading the data. You know, the data is showing bearish, so I'll stick to bearish.
okay. No.
So we have a target here. It's still at 26.56. We have strong sell data here. We have strong sell strength here, and RSI flipped bearish. Stochastics is bearish currently, and we have strong sell volume. And on the right side over here, we have volume is currently bearish volume. Right. And overall, OBV is bearish. Dollar is bullish by 100%. Which is going to influence the continuous sell here. No questions? Okay. Everyone's focused. Everyone is busy trading. All right.
I told you that.
I'll be right back.
Keep positive. You see it hitting that. You see it hitting it. It has resistance. Like you said, your arm was hurting. Okay. Mhm.
But I think William stayed in the same place. Okay. So mission here. Business activity performance. Yeah. That's right there. It's not. I mean, maybe like this area. It's not. He's stuck there. Look at him. He's just stuck. Okay. I mean, up to here or something. Oh, look, we have another one here, box. So look at that. Did it do it already? Where is that? I did that. But look. Mhm. And another one is gone. So this one, let me see what happens. Can I ask it? See what can I have an example? You see, this one is here. You know? Mm. So, see what happens. When this is squeezed like this, way it has for you to have as an example. Then, use this one. It's a new file. Mm. So, okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I'm telling you, stupid thing. Ruined my spinal cord.
Honestly, this pillow made me confused with my back. I don't think I have back pain. At the same time, I'm not sure.
We can give you a pillow.
My pillow. My pillow. I'm just not used to. I think I just forgot about what I was going through. Now I don't know what's going on with my back.
My kid is dead. What's going on? It's not even normal.
I don't know. Yeah, this one is hard to trade. I think today is just a really hard day to trade because it's so choppy. Like 5 minutes, it looks like it's clean moves, but
Where's the cleanness?
it's not clean. Yeah, it's not even clean. Okay, cleaner than 1 minute. Okay, looks cleaner. Yeah, thanks. Oh my God.
Didn't go anywhere.
It didn't
just
go anywhere?
stayed there.
Oh yeah. Really?
Mhm.
That sucks. Alright, I'm gonna get out of this trade then while I'm at it.
What trade did you have?
I had 2 sell trades. They went profit at least. We see this bandwidth indicator is up right now, so we will have volatility, of course, still. It's just that the sell volume decreased here for now. It's still below the zero, so it's still sell pressure. But once the volumes shift back to the downside, then you see it's not diverging either, so it's staying steady. So if it goes back up and then swings back down, then the sell continues. And it would be nice if this gives a buy arrow, a blue arrow, because then it allows it to sell again. Because it has to become, everything has to correlate to the bullish side before it will start looking for sells again.
Oh my God, I said, oh, I hope this thing doesn't stay in a triangle.
I just tried to get out of it. Why?
No, I was thinking because it's this duck going on. You see the duck face?
Belly
You
meat.
see this duck?
Okay.
So there's a range. So might as well take the 4-hour bar.
Oh, okay. All right, so 9:30, I'm gonna have to end the stream because I gotta go to work.
I need to order the photos. I don't know. You see?
Mm-hmm.
So this area,
Okay.
they have this area, they have a triangle. Remember I said the ends are like this. This is the range. So if you're using something like that. And then you see emptiness. It needs to come like this way. So this is great for you to experience. So you see? Look. Over there. Over there, you see? Look.
So it's 10,
That was
9,
So
9.
if it's moving, you can't
Okay, so all the RSIs here are bearish currently.
and actually touch this trend line, touch email, or touch somebody
Hmm.
before it goes. Touch somebody before it goes. Can't go.
If you have a chance to get out of your buy, I would advise to that.
If it
Because the 200 crossed the 1 minute 200 crossed the 200 of the 5 minute.
mm,
You see, it's still below, whereas it went above, and now it turned and came below, and it's separating now. Right?
but I can't see anything.
You can see the separation here.
No, I don't see separation. That's what I'm saying. I can't see.
Right? You see how they came? The red and blue line came up towards it, and started separating again. But this time when it separated, price actually went farther away, farther apart,
Yeah.
right? Than the way it was over here.
Mm.
So I'm not sure it's gonna go all the way back up there
Anymore.
anymore.
Mm.
And this target here, don't marry this target because this target is decreasing.
Oh no, not that one. Okay.
Is my phone? Where's my phone?
Yeah. Because it's between this one and this one. Because I don't know. Did I want to trade here? Or something? Okay, so. The stream, there's nothing happening. You wanna wait until 3, right? Market is dead. Even the 1 minute is dying. Oh wow, Tilta came in, right?
Okay. I take another sell. Uh, Down to the same price here again. 26.56. $50. Now it already came and tested this area. I shouldn't come back there. Also, we have volume flipping back to the downside here. While volume has been continuous going to the downside here, we do have a decreased volatility here, but it's still high compared to these lows and these lows. Okay. The EA already took his 10 pip and is done. This thing can go as far as it wants. It's not going to take a trade.
Oh, you didn't want to take anything? No. Okay. Yeah, just. It's dead. It died.
The volatility died.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course.
Just died. Look. Nothing.
Okay, so my account had 3,500 when I started on Sunday. Right. So far 2081. No, what am I doing? Okay, so I did a 59% return so far from Sunday night to now. It's been running 24 hours. But I'm waiting to see how it fails first, so this way I can fix it. Because I have to be able to find all the errors. The only errors I can see so far is the shitty Asia time. So if I could find an indicator that can tell me that, or I can do some recalculation, which I do plan on doing some ATR across the board. Right, if I use the ATR from each chart here, I can probably do some calculations there, custom calculations to understand how volatile the market overall is. No, I'm not gonna wait till 10. I'm gonna have to go early actually to work because of the audit.
Yeah, but there's nothing happening, unfortunately.
Yeah, tomorrow CPI is gonna do its thing. But I'm gonna leave this trade running to go 50 pip profit. I'm not gonna touch the robot. Then we're gonna let it trade on its own. That's why I'm not messing with this account. And I did it on my FX book to see how the drawdowns are, stuff like that. I think the drawdowns are pretty big, like 30%, 35%. Even up to 40% I seen earlier this morning here, which is not very good either. Oh, you see this number went from 315 to now 2.96. So it's decreasing here. Sellers are sellers are getting lesser and lesser interested. I was supposed to take a sell at the flip there. And at the flip here. I did take the sell at the flip here, which is right around this corner. Over here, I wasn't here for this one. Or was I? Okay, we have some 930 volume. NYSE. Thanks, universe. I appreciate that. It says, love your cool family. Good night.
Oh, they're far away.
Yeah, I guess it's nighttime for the person. Alright, I'm gonna be heading out now. I have to get to work. If this thing continues going up, I'll get stopped out. If it continues going down, I'll go into profit. It should continue going down. It's only just bullshitting right now. It's a possibility it might go up to the 200 as well. I mean, if it does, it does. Right? Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna be heading off.
Yeah, market prospect.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit BlueGuardian.com or BlueGuardianFutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.